Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Steam account on your laptop or your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Steam account on your computer, first you'll be required to open a browser, or you can just download and install the Steam app on your computer. As I've already installed the Steam software, you can see in my desktop guys, and it's over here. Either you can log into your Steam account over here where it says it is the home page of Steam or the application. In order to play games on the Steam gaming software, the Steam software will be the best. So in order to log in guys, enter your account name over here or your username which you had registered on Steam at the time of creating your account, and after that enter your password guys, and after that click on sign in, and a code will be sent to you on your Gmail. Receive that code guys. I'm going to receive that code on my phone. And guys, do make sure to never share these codes to anyone, and let's wait for it, and let's enter the code guys. And with that being done guys, you can see it's getting the data from the network and it has something has gone wrong. So let's click on retry, and after a moment guys, you can see the Steam starts reloading, and this is the moment where you guys you will be able to log into your Steam account like this. And over here guys, you can see I have successfully signed into the Steam software on my computer. You can also do that on the online site of Steam, but you will not be able to play games from the browser. You will require this app or the software on your computer. And with that being said guys, this is how you log into your Steam account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.